The Turntablet, the most versatile and durable iPad case available today. Featuring 360-degree rotation, it's perfect for data collection and presentations, and features a removable handle at the touch of a button. The handle also features a built-in prop stand and a comfort grip that provides an ergonomic way to hold your iPad with just one hand. The most versatile and durable iPad case available today. Made for the iPad and iPad 2, the Turntablet from Headcase. Available now at getaheadcase.com.